Get ready with me. Let's prepare this vegetable of mine. Very yummy, sweet, delicious. You can enjoy it with any choice of your swallow, either samvita, semovita, fufu, gari, starch, anyone. It goes well with it. So what I have here is my dried fish, which is mangala. This is my stock fish and seasoning cube. This is my cow skin. This is my onions, chopped onion. This is my hot pepper and crayfish not yet pounded. So let's look at them all. So let's begin with the cooking. Here is my pumpkin leaf and my water leaf. My own way of making my own vegetable. Just watch and see. Here is my red oil. So let's begin with the process. Right here, my vegetable soup is ready. So what I have here is a plate of vegetable soup with my gari. That's what I'll be using to step down this delicious soup of mine. So I did video where I added the pumpkin leaf. Something got me distracted that I didn't even remember. But after that, I added the vegetable, stir and bring it down immediately. Can't you see how greenish it is? So this is my own way of making my vegetable soup. I cut, wash and boil and drain out the water before cooking with the water leaf, or else my stomach is going to war front. This is one of the reasons I can't go to any restaurants, especially cheap restaurants, to go and eat vegetable soup, honestly, because if it was not boiled and the water was not drained out, once I eat it, I'm not going to get myself for some days. So this is the method that works for me. So thank you all for watching. If you find this video so interesting, kindly like, subscribe and comment. If possible, share. God bless you and see you again on my next video.